Hello students, as you all know that this is the time of pandemic COVID-19 and our schools are closed, so our studies getting disturbed. You have to learn it at your home so that there would be no breakage in your studies and there would be no disturbance in the learning. By some online videos like with my channel or with other channels, you have to take help and trying to continue your studies so that the learning should be continued. Now with this message we will again start our chapter, that is ration number exercise 1.6. Now the question is, we have verify the property verify the property x into y equals to y into x by taking x as 1 by 3 and y as 2 by 7. Now what we have to do in this question, we can see that x into y should be equal to y into x. So where x is 1 by 3, हमें इस क्वेश्चन में क्या करना है, हमें बताना है कि अगर हम x एंड y की वैल्यू 1 बाई 3 और 2 बाई 7 लेते हैं और उनको आपस में मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो डिजिट्स को चेंज करने पर जो हमारा प्रोडक्ट है वो सेम आना चाहिए. तो हम इसको क्वेश्चन को स्टार्ट करते हैं. 1/3 we will take x as 1/3 and y as 2/7, and here we will take y first, that is 2/7, and x is minus 1/3. So now again we have to check whether these numbers are of the product of any common number, but we don't have, because we have 2 and 3 that are coming in the different tables. So we will simply multiply them, that is 2 1s are 2, it's minus 2, and 3 7s are 21, and on the right hand side we have 2 1s are 2, that is minus 2, and 7 3s are 21. Thus left hand side is equals to right hand side. So we proved that x into y equals to y into x. Now the next question is question number 3rd. X is 2 and y is 7/8. Now again 7/-8. Now again the value of x is 2 and value of y is, we will take minus in the numerator, that would be minus 7/8, and now we will take y into x, that would be minus 7/8 into 2. Now again we have to check whether the number are common in any table, divisible by the same number. So 2 and 8 is divisible by 2, so we will do it. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, so that would be 7/4, and 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, that would be minus 7/4. Thus it is proved x into y is equals to y into x. Now we have question number 4. Question number 4 is 0 into minus 15 upon 8 is equals to minus 15 upon 8 into 0. Now students, we all know that if we multiply any number with 0, we will get 0 as a product. So by 0, if 0 would be multiplied with minus 15 upon 8, that would become 0, and on the right hand side that would become 0. So thus it is proved. Now we have question number 2. Verify the property x into y into z equals to x into y into z. And the term is x is minus 7 upon 3, y is 12 upon 5 and z is 4 upon 9. So हमें इस क्वेश्चन में करना क्या है, हमें इस क्वेश्चन में हमें एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टी मल्टीप्लिकेशन की एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टी प्रूव करनी है, जहाँ पर हम देखते हैं कि अगर हम डिजिट्स को चेंज करते हैं आपस में तो हमारे रिजल्ट में कोई चेंज नहीं आता है. मल्टीप्लिकेशन में ऐसा होता है, अगर हम x और y को पहले मल्टीप्लाई करें और बाद में z मल्टीप्लाई करें तो हमारे रिजल्ट में कोई चेंज नहीं आता है. तो हम देख सकते हैं, हमें इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करना है. So we can see that x is minus 7 upon 3 into y is 12 upon 5 and z is 4 upon 9. That should be equal to x into y, that is minus 7 upon 3 into y is 12 upon 5. Both should be multiplying first and then it should be multiplied with z, that is 4 by 9. Now again, if the number is coming in is divisible by any common number, we can cut it here. That would be 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12. Now that would be minus 7 upon 3 into 4 4s are 16, 5 3s are 15. We will put this in the So we have minus 7 upon 3 on the left hand side, and here 4 1s are 4, that would be minus 4, and 5 1s are 5, here it would be 4 upon 9. So now no number is divisible by any common number, so we will simply multiplying them. That would be 16 into 7 is 7 6 are 42 and 4 7 1s are 7 and 4 11. So we have minus 1 1 2, 15 3s are, it's 45. Now we have now we will here the 7 4s are would be 28, and now 4 8s are 32, that is 2 and 3, 4 2s are 12 and 3, sorry, it would be 4 8s are 32, we will have 2 and 3, we will give this to this 2, and 4 2s are 8 and 3 11. So we have 5 9s are 45. So we have same numbers on the left hand side as well as right hand side. Thus it is proved. Thus the property proved. Now we have question number 2, that is x is 0, y is minus 3 upon 5 and z is minus 9 upon 5, and we have to prove x into y into z is equals to x into y into z. So that would be x is 0, y is minus 3 upon 5 and z is minus 9 upon 5. It should be equal to x is 0, y is 3 upon 5 and z is minus 9 upon 4. So if we solve the number, that would be, if any number is multiplying with 0, we will again get 0 as a product. So that would be 0 into minus 9 upon 4. And on the right hand side, we can see that it would be 3 9s are 27 and 5 4s are 20. So any number which is multiplying with 0, the product would be 0. So we have 0 on the left hand side as well as on the right hand side. Thus it is proved. Now we have question number 3rd. Question number 3rd. Verify the property x into y plus z is equals to x into y plus x into z, where x is minus 3 upon 7, y is 12 upon 13 and z is minus 5 upon 6. Now students, recall the distributive property of multiplication, where a number a into b plus c is equals to a into b plus b into c. So the distributive property of multiplication is used here, and we have to prove that property, that if we अगर हम 3 upon 7 और y अगर 3 upon 7 12 upon 13 और 5 upon 6 से मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है, तो वो दोनों से मल्टीप्लाई होगा और हमारा प्रोडक्ट सेम आना चाहिए. तो हम देखते हैं कि लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे हम लेंगे 3 अपॉन 7 इंटू, हम यहाँ पे लेंगे 12 अपॉन 3 प्लस 5 अपॉन 6. अगर हम राइट हैंड साइड पे इसको ओपन करके लेते हैं, इसको हम एक्सपेंड करके लेते हैं, दैट इज minus 3 upon 7 multiplying with y, that is 12 upon 13. It should be फिर हम x को z से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. x हमारा है minus 3 upon 7 एंड z हमारा है minus 5 upon 6. नाउ सॉल्व करने पर दोनों तरफ हमारा इक्वल नंबर होना चाहिए, तो हमारी ये प्रॉपर्टी प्रूव्ड होगी. सो नाउ वी सॉल्व इट. minus 3 upon 7, यहाँ पर हम देखते हैं कि 13 एंड 6 का हमें एलसीएम लेना है. दैट वुड बी, बिकॉज बोथ द नंबर्स आर कमिंग इन द डिफरेंट टेबल, सो इफ़ यू मल्टीप्लाइंग देम टुगेदर, अगर हम आपस में इनको मल्टीप्लाई कर देते हैं तो हमें इसका एलसीएम मिल जाएगा, क्योंकि ये दोनों ही दो अलग अलग टेबल्स में आ रहे हैं, इनमें कोई नंबर कॉमन नहीं है. सो इट वुड बी 78. नाउ 13 6 are 78 and 12 6 are 72 plus 6 13s are 78 and 13 5s are 13 5s are 65. Now we have to here we have a sign of minus, that would be minus plus minus. Now on the right hand side If any number is coming in the same table, we can cut them here. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. Now we have 12 threes are 36 and 13 sevens are, that would be 91. Plus 5 ones are 5, minus minus would be plus, it would be 5, 7 twos are 14. Now 3 upon 7 into 72 and 65 would be subtract together, that would be 7 upon 78. Equals to, it would be, we'll take LCM of 91 and 14, that would be, again they are not coming in the same table, so we can multiply them together, that would be 91 upon 14. We have 1274. Now 1274 को अगर हम 51 से डिवाइड करते हैं तो हमें 14 मिलेगा आंसर, and this 14 would be multiplying with 36, that would be 4 6 are 24, 4 4 3 are 12 and 2 14, 1 6 are 1 6 and 1 3 are 3. It is minus 504. Again 14 multiply with 91, we will get 1274. So 91 will be multiplying with 5. We have 5 ones are 5, 5 nines are 45. So we have 455. Now we have one. Here we can see that 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7, and it would be 7 and 8 is 15. So they are coming in the, they are divisible by 3. So we can cut it here. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, we have 1, 3 6 are 8. So the number is 1 ones are minus 1 and 26 ones are 26. And on the right hand side we have one positive number and one negative number. So we will subtract them together, that would be 504, 455 is 14 minus 5 is 9, we have 9 minus 5 is 4, so this would be 49 upon 1274. Now we have very big number, but we can see whether is it divisible by a common number. So 49, and if it is 1274, that is divisible by 7. So 7 sevens are 49, 7 ones are 7, we have 5 here. So we will 7 eights are 56, and we will have 1 here, that is 7 twos are 40. Now again 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 40, and we have 4 here, that is 7 6 are 42. So we will have to take a sign of minus, that is minus 126 minus 126 is equals to minus 126. So the left hand side is equal to right hand side, thus the property is proved. Now we have question number 2 for the same property, where x is minus 12 upon 5 into y, we have to take y and z, that is minus 15 upon 4 plus 8 upon 3. It should be equal to x into y, that is 12 upon 5 into minus 15 upon 4 plus x into y into z, that is minus 15 upon 4. It should be equal to x into z, that is minus 12 upon 5 into 8 upon 3. Now again we have a very big equation. So पहले ही हमें देख लेना है कि अगर हम इसको शॉर्ट कर सकते हैं तो हम इसे ब्रैकेट्स के अंदर ही शॉर्ट करने की कोशिश करेंगे. अगर कोई नंबर कॉमन है तो हम उसको वहीं पर ही कट करेंगे. किसी नंबर से डिविजिबल हो रहा है तो अगर हम इसे ब्रैकेट में ले लेते हैं, हम देखते हैं कि 5 1 ज़ा 5, 5 3 ज़ा 15, 4 1 ज़ा 4, 4 3 ज़ा 12, एंड अगेन हेयर 3 1 ज़ा 3, 3 4 ज़ा 12. तो ये नंबर हमारा शॉर्ट हो सकता था, इसीलिए हमने इसे यहीं पे शॉर्ट कर लिया है. नाउ वी हैव minus 12 upon 5 into, we will take LCM of 4 and 3, that would be 12, and 4 3s are 12, 15 3s are 45. We have minus 45 and 3 4s are 12, 18 8 4s are 32. First we will solve the left hand side only, that would be minus 12 upon 5 into 45, one positive number, one negative number, it would be subtract together, so it would be 5 minus 2 is 3 and 4 minus 3 is 1, so the number will be minus 13. It would be minus 13 upon 12. So again we have to check, अगर हम इसे शॉर्ट कर सकते हैं तो हम यहीं पे इसको शॉर्ट करेंगे. 12 1 ज़ा 12, 12 1 ज़ा 12, it would be 13 1 ज़ा 13 and 5 1 ज़ा 5. So on the left hand side we have 15 upon 3, sorry 13 upon 5, and on the right hand side we will have 3 upon 3 into 3 is 9 and 1 into 1 is 1, plus we have 4 into 8, that is minus 32, and 5 into 1 is 5. Now we will take LCM of 5 and 1, that would be 5, and 1 into 5, and 9 5s are 45. Minus plus minus would be minus, and we have 32. So यहाँ पे हम देखते हैं कि अगर हम 32 और 32 and 8 is 40, and 8 and 5 is 13. So we have 13 upon 5, which is equals to right hand side. Thus it is proved that if we multiply x into y plus z, it would be same as x into y plus x into z. Now we have another question. Question number 3rd is, the value of x is minus 8 upon 3, y is 5 upon 6, and z is minus 13 upon 12. So again we have to prove x into y plus z is equals to x into y plus x into z. Now the value of x is minus 8 upon 3, and the value of y and z is 5 upon 6 plus minus 13 upon 12. And first we will solve left hand side only, that would be minus 8 upon 3. The LCM, यहाँ पर हम 12 and 6 का LCM लेंगे, तो क्योंकि ये सेम टेबल में आ रहे हैं तो जो बड़ा नंबर है, जो बिगर नंबर है, दैट वुड बी द LCM. सो 6 और 12 का LCM 12 है. 6 2 ज़ा 12 एंड 2 5 ज़ा 10। यहाँ पर हम देखते हैं कि 12 1 ज़ा 12 एंड सो इट वुड बी 13 ओनली। नाउ -8/3, 13 - 10 इज -3/12। अब हम यहाँ पर देख रहे हैं कि 8 और 12 4 की टेबल में आ रहे हैं, 2 की टेबल में आ रहे हैं एंड 3 और 3 आपस में डिविजिबल है। तो इन नंबर्स को हम आपस में डिवाइड करके आगे बढ़ेंगे। हम देखते हैं कि 4 2 ज़ा 8, 4 3 ज़ा 12, 3 1 ज़ा 3, 3 1 ज़ा 3। So we have 2 1 ज़ा 2 and 3 1 ज़ा 3. So we have 2/3 on the left hand side. Now on the right hand side, x is -8/3, y is 5/6, plus we have x is -8/3, y is z is -13/12. अगेन लॉन्ग इक्वेशन से बचने के लिए हम इसको यहीं पर शॉर्ट करने की कोशिश करेंगे। तो 8 और 6 क्योंकि 2 के टेबल से डिवाइड हो रहे हैं तो हम यहाँ पर इसको डिवाइड कर लेंगे। 2 3 ज़ा 6, 2 4 ज़ा 8। और यहाँ पर भी हम देख रहे हैं कि 4 2 ज़ा 8 एंड 4 3 ज़ा 12। तो इस तरीके से शॉर्टन अप करने के बाद हम इसको आगे बढ़ाएंगे। दैट वुड बी 5 4 ज़ा 20 and 3 3 ज़ा 9। From here we will get 13 2 ज़ा 26, minus would be plus and 3 3 ज़ा 9. So the LCM of 9 and 9 would be 9 and the numbers on the above side will be remain same. So we will have 20 plus 26. Now one positive number and one negative will be subtracted. So we will have 6/9, that is 3 2 ज़ा 6, 3 3 ज़ा 9. So we have 2/3. So हम देख रहे हैं कि हमारी लेफ्ट हैंड साइड राइट हैंड साइड के इक्वल है। तो हमारी प्रॉपर्टी प्रूव हो गई है कि अगर हम x इंटू वाई प्लस जेड करते हैं या हम x इंटू वाई प्लस x इंटू जेड लेते हैं तो हमारा जो नंबर है वो हर सिचुएशन में सेम आता है। तो ये डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी हमारी इस तरीके से प्रूव होती है। अब हम नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ चलते हैं।